Hello guys, it's me again, and I wish to talk about behavior because it's quite complex, and also I've studied a bit about the action plan. So the action plan, it's very interesting, it's complex indeed. And also, one thing's very important that should be explained at the start, and it isn't, is that the action plan, probably for what that I have understand, is that is a good system for special cases. For example, when the enemy sees the player, then running an action plan is the best, because you can say if the player is shooting or if you get damage. So here you can set a requisite to act this action. So taking damage, you can say here, and so do some stuff like find a recover an hidden place where you can get repaired on something like this, and then here you can say shoot, or player is on target, so you can start shooting, and if the player is not even see anymore, then you can start for patrolling and searching for him. So in my specific case, I've made a bunch of how it is called, marketplace, and the idea is, for example, here I have some crates, so the NPC have to take the crates and take it to the store. Okay, and this won't work, and I realized that it won't work. Let me explain it better. I set the character with traits, so they have energy and work to do. So moving the crates, the boxes, will take down the energy, and if the energy is lower, like less than 20, then they should go to rest, so watching out the window, going to vending machine and so on. And the action plan isn't ideal for this thing. It could be used, for example, if you want to decide which crates to take, and for this behavior is really cool, because you can make, for example, where is it? For example, here you can create a behavior, a simple state machine, and then create a subgraph, I guess. Yeah, and in the subgraph you can link the GOP, so the action plan. So for example, in my case, I should create I'm not really sure, I have to test it, a condition. So if the condition is that stats energy if the energy sorry, here, if self attribute which is stat energy and value is greater on 20, then execute the GOP, and the GOP which is working fine, decide where to go, what to do to make the better work. For example, I can set to have the best route, the best path to take the box, and so for example, walk around have a cost of 1, and once it's done I can set here best path through, and so doing the work or doing the job. Here I can set the required which is best path, so if best path is true then it will do the job. And so probably the state machine for easy predictable decisions, the state machine is the best. I've also tested as you have seen the utility, but also utility is quite messy, and this one could be nice, for example, because it's working like in The Sims. So if certain needs is required, it should took the right decision. But also in this case I failed miserably, so probably I will start again from state machine. Anyway, I've lost 3 days on this stuff, and I still haven't my AI working as it should. So I hope to fix it soon, because these are coming very frustrating, because as you can see the character is barely working. The other one inside this girl, I have because first of all the GOP requires an action on start, so you have to do what they have to do. But also this is the second, yeah. But also here I set a trigger on interval very high to check the energy. So if the energy is higher than 20, then this will set to do the work, and if the energy is less than 20, then she should work on recovering energy. But anyway, yeah, this one is working. I'm not sure why the other one failed so miserably. Anyway, I will fix it sooner or later. I've also thought about abandoning, leaving the idea to use behavior because it's complex, and the information, I mean, the documentation is fine. It explains a lot of aspect, but still lack of information, and you have to read a lot. I mean, a lot. And you have to understand also what are you reading, and figuring out what all the information that the documentation have is really useful to your case, which is the most absolutely difficult things about this stuff. So in the end, yeah, state machine is the best choice, and probably, I guess, even behavior state machine is not the best choice, because of maybe state machine 2 is a better choice. I have to test it. I will do it soon. So for the moment, I hope I give you some better information about behavior, GOP, and state machine, because it's a really mess. It's a jungle, and there's no tutorial at all about it. And also Hervé failed on this, because he just show what the example does, and also the example didn't explain, because if we go there and you see this one, for example, here we have fired up, but here I didn't find it anywhere. Okay, here we have fire up too, and still confusing. I mean, it's very mess, and so yeah, maybe sooner or later I will fix it. Ciao.